Let's go. Alright, y'all, so it is currently a snowstorm. However, I was making me some waffles, and wait a minute, I don't know why I don't got my jacket zipped up. I don't know why I thought it was cute to walk in 28-degree weather and in the snow, but you know what? I needed some syrup. Okay, first of all, I don't got the proper shoes. Where the hell I think I'm going? Okay, I just realized I just came outside with a mask. Am I stupid or what? Now I gotta go all the way back to the house. Special ed. Alright, take 2. Back to my shoes. Somebody call 1-800. Buy this girl some shoes. Shoes. No, Nikes. Stop. Let's do a catwalk. Hold on, we about to do a catwalk. Catwalk.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Next for the finale, and that car is definitely staring at me. Well, you in my business? Don't do that. Ooh, girl can't breathe. I just catwalk for y'all. Hurry up. Like copyright. Why I just did the awkward, hey, he said something to me. Alright, I finally made it. $2. Shoot. Ooh, child, sniffles. Sniffles. You in my business? We back out here. It's filthy in New York. I don't know why people like it here. Look at this nasty stuff. Just nasty. Anyways, they was trying to charge $6 for some Aunt Annie's. Man, you know what I got. We got some Ambiance cereal. $2.99, $2.49. You know my business? Don't do that. This thing smacking fire. What's up? This thing smacking fire at my face. This is hell. What's going on? You want to see a little snowball fight by myself? I'll do that. It ain't that bad though, but it's like pebbles being thrown at my face. Sheesh. Golly, you child. My fingers is freezing. It's cause how you got gloves on the fingers with finger imprints, but it don't work on the screen? Ain't that about a false advertisement? So now I got it off. Maybe I should put it on, right? Yeah. Good job. Baby, you want tonight? Oh, you got them hands in my arm. Baby, on tonight. Oh. Hey, my fingers is frozen. We big. Why not have a dance party? Dance party.
When you see me in the spot, better respect it. Y'all already knowin' my rap. Ain't no reason to check it. And y'all know that you ain't with me just for the record. So instead I'm finish him.
Hello.
When you see me in the spot, better respect it. Y'all
Alright. Time to take my stuff and go. Dance party over. Ooh-cha. We're getting worse. Oh, you see my nose? Woo. Oh, time to go inside. We're getting worse. Woo. I'm an ass hurt. Oh, I should never did that. Oh, what's in there? Boogers. Sorry. Okay, let's talk. And the funny thing is, I did this video already. I'm just kidding, bro. It wasn't it because I just came from the gym. My hair was all like, But I want to talk about what's going on with the whole key thing. During a snowstorm, I decided to take the camera and record me in the snowstorm going to the 99-cent store up the block. And I decided to entertain y'all by, putting my phone on the tripod on the ground while it's snowing. And I'm running further down so I could do like a little catwalk to you guys, trying to be cute. And while I'm running, first of all, apparently I had dropped my key in the snow. Dropped my key. I did not hear the car key drop. Obviously, the snow, in the snow, you don't hear anything. It's not like it's on the pavement, so you don't, more story, you don't hear anything. Kept pushing, went back in the house. Mind you, this is around 12 o'clock. I didn't have to go to work till 5:30, so I told myself at 4 o'clock, I'm going to, clean my car off, clean all the snow off. And let me first tell you this. Actually, the reason why I had my car key in my actual pocket was because before I had went into the 99-cent store, I went and got my mask. And I always carry my mask inside the car. Usually I have it in this pocket, like, inside, nice and safe. But I had it in this pocket. I just quickly put it in. It's snowing, my hands is cold. I'm going to quickly throw it in my pocket. Whenever at 4 o'clock comes, I'm like, dang, like I cannot find my key. Where's my key? Where? So I'm like, you know what? I was in the backyard recording myself, throwing myself in the ground. I thought that's when I had dropped it. Like, that's the only possible way. But somehow when I rewatched the video, I watched the video of me, doing a catwalk. Why? I don't know. I don't know what made me do it, but I did. And as I'm watching it, my key dropped. And I'm like, oh, shoot. My key dropped at 12 o'clock and it's 4 o'clock. Jesus Christ. So I'm like, I'm trying to rush to make sure nobody stole it. Maybe I'm like the first one to get it. I mean, what the hell? It's five hours past. That thing long gone. But, high hopes. I go back and I check and there's nothing there. So I'm like, damn. But everything is like, it's full of snow. Like when at 12 o'clock, it wasn't that much snow. But at 4 o'clock, it was like full. Like you could really just dig. You have to dig. So I'm like, dang. So I went and back to my house and I went and got the shovel. And I'm like, I'm going to shovel this. Oh, before I mentioned, there was people already shoveling. But the place where I had dropped it, it wasn't already shoveled yet. Okay, so boom, now I'm shoveling, cannot find the key. Where is the key? Who knows? Like at this point, I'm thinking in my head like, oh my God, did someone take it? Like, oh my God, someone can easily, find my car, because all you have to do is press the emergency thing where it go beep, 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 and you can find my car and take the car. So I'm like, oh my God, someone can possibly take my car. I'm losing my mind. All for a simple thing. I'm running and drop the key. That cost me $1,000, my car being gone. Mentally like going crazy. But I had to calm myself down because I did have to go to work, and I spent about 20 minutes shoveling. So I only have a few minutes. Mind you, now I don't have my car, so I have to take the train. It takes me about an hour and change to get to work. So I'm like, damn, like I cannot take the train right now. Even if I take the train, I'm gonna be extremely late. So I have to take an Uber. And you know, the Ubers, when it's snowing, it's crazy. Like they really be bugging it. Like they be bugging. Like they make the prices go so high. And then I get out of work really late at night. So bad weather plus late night, they're definitely gonna elevate the price really high. So around, like, I'm gonna end up spending like $100. Like, all right, I'm dragging it, maybe about 70, 60, yeah, 30, maybe $50, $50 at nighttime. So whatever, I took the Uber, and we will talk about that Uber driver. He was wilding. But anyways, this truck just hit the back of this car. OMG. Damn, what did he do that for? I know his heart is dropping. That's like the worst. Anyway, took an Uber, and mentally I just calmed myself down because though my car could possibly be stolen, my car is parked right in front of my house. There is cameras, my neighbors have cameras, and plus my family was home all day that day. So if someone takes it, okay, they'll see it, you know, and they'll know what time it's gone. So I'm like, I'm gonna relax my mind. And also I had an extra, like I had a spare car key at my mother's house, but it's in Brooklyn. I work in Queens, I live in Queens, but the Queens that I work at is like kind of close to Brooklyn. I don't know. Anyways, more the story. It would have to take me out my way to travel there and travel back, go to work. So it would take me some time to get there. So I went to work that day. The next day, I went and got. Alright, I don't know why, for some reason, whenever I record, my phone be turning off. It's weird. I don't know. But I was talking about, I went and got the key the next day from my mother's house in Brooklyn. And, you know, boom, found the key, whatever. Then I went to work. You know, I try not to think about it too much. The next day, it was sunny. So the snow melted a little bit. So I'm like, yeah, like, and you know, the snow was melting. But then it snowed, like, the following day. So I'm like, damn, like, my car key is just being covered by snow more and more. Okay, the snow melted a little bit, but it's also being covered once again. So I'm like, so it rained later that day. After it snowed, it rained. And you know, whenever the rain comes, it also melts the snow. So I'm like, yes. So that day after work, I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna check. I checked and couldn't be found. And you could see that, you could even see grass, like the area that it could possibly drop that, it could have been there. It could have been visibly shown. So I'm like, damn, like, I hope nobody stole it, because it could possibly be in the snow. As soon as I walk up them stairs to the place, why do I see my car key on the stair? My car key is on the stair, and I'm like, oh my God. Like, I'm so happy I didn't go through a panic attack. I would just drove myself crazy to a mental hospital with the cuckoo beds. That's a little tea, and that's that. That's the end of it. But thanks for watching, and talk to you later. I'm so awkward. It's disgusting. Bye.